What are you guys doing? Max, is Maya being silly?
Me.
You're being silly?
So silly today.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Ixnay on the spitting. Okay. Can you guys tell the camera what your favorite part of today was?
No, I had a fun day.
You had a fun day. What did you do today?
I played.
What did you play?
Jump.
Did you go on the swings?
Jump.
Did you go on the slide?
Jump.
You played in the sand. That is so cool. Max, did you play in the sand?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you guys sleep in the same room last night?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was that?
Did.
Yeah. Who woke up first in the morning?
Me.
I doubt it somehow.
I.
Yeah, I think you did. You did? So who's gonna wake up? Who's gonna go to sleep first tonight?
Me. Me.
Yeah.
Me. Oh, me. Me.
Maybe you'll go to sleep at the same time.
Are you guys so silly? Hey, Max. Max, how old are you?
3.
Almost. Maya, how old are you? You're 2, but you're almost 3, right? You guys are both almost 3.
You're both 2 or almost 3. Okay.
Can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye, camera.
Today is August 27th, 2013. We're here with Pop Pop. Hi, Pop Pop. And Christine, baby Kelly, Grandma Alice, Dave's over there, and Asher Monkey is somewhere. Hi, Asher Monkey.
Look, a squirrel on the deck.
And a squirrel on the deck. Hi, squirrel.